Hey guys, my name is Josh Bond. I am the Southeast Territory Rep for Curb Roller Manufacturing. We're here today to talk about two of our roller screed platforms. We have our Eel Screed and our Batt Screed. Both of these units are something we come out with in 2019 to be more compact and portable for the contractor. They are very easy. Both the units weigh around about 40 pounds. They're easily foldable, so you can put it in the back of your truck, put it in your front seat. They both come with a kickstand that you can put up and make it where it sits up on your frame, on your formwork. Each unit comes with a T-bar handle for the non-drive side and two plug units for the pipe system that it runs off of. Our Eel Screed runs off of electric power. So as long as you have consistent electric power or a generator, you can run that all day long. No issues. You can take it anywhere. It is great for inside where EPA standards don't let you run gas engines, or if you're inside a contained area where you don't want the fumes or anything. Our battery operated unit is more diverse. It runs off of our DeWalt 60 volt 12 amp hour batteries. Each unit comes with two of them. So out of the battery, typically you're getting anywhere from 18 to 2,400 square foot, just depending on what length of pipe you're using and how much time you are actually running the machine. So time you run a battery out, you can charge another one up in a little over an hour's time. We offer two different screed pipe options. Our first is our 4-inch aluminum tubing, Schedule 40, that you can pick up at mostly any pipe shop around the country. Have it cut to whatever length you're needing for the job site that you're going to. The issue that we found with that way is when you get to a job site, you have a 20-foot piece of pipe that you have to transport on a pipe rack, or you get to a job site and that 20-foot piece of pipe has to be cut down to the 10-foot pipe that you're doing. So now, if you needed to use it again, you'd have to go buy another 20-foot piece of pipe and your pipe rack. Here at Curb Roller, we've come up with a solution for that, which is our Lynx pipe system. Our Lynx pipe system, you can get anywhere from 3 to 9 foot pieces. Each piece can be bolted together to get whatever length you need, or taken apart on the job site to match if you get to somewhere where you don't need as much. Each unit with the Lynx comes with two stainless steel ends and couplers. So you can put a 3 and a 5 together, or a 3 and a 9 foot together, however the job requires. So how's this unit going to help you? Typical contractors are finding that this unit helps reduce labor, decrease the fatigue on their employees, and generally just get a better finish with their product. Contractors are typically using these for sidewalks, driveways, and small pads. Each unit is very ambidextrous, so you can go pull either direction, whichever way it requires you to. Each unit you can change the direction. So if you're on one side, you can change it by just a flip of a button. Battery is easy to be pulled out and changed when it dies and replaced with a new battery. The handle is movable, so just pull of one pin, you can move it so you're inside the form or outside the form. Typical forms we see these running on are wood, steel. You can also run it on if you have existing pavement, existing sidewalk. However the type forms you're using, this thing can run on it. Some key points on running a roller screed is you have two operators. One is on the drive end and one is on the T-bar end. With the drive end, the drive guy is going to set the pace for your pour. Typically what we're seeing is the slower you can turn the drum and faster you pull the machine, the better product you're going to get when you get done. The key is to make sure that both guys are pulling together and staying straight and steady. With this option, you reduce your labor by having so many guys back behind you trying to already level your product out. Let the machine do the work, let it be your screed for you. Most contractors find that this unit is very user-friendly. With minimum training, they can have anyone on a job site pick it up and go and finish the job out, which helps save on labor and time on any job site. One of our main accessories is our center pivot unit. It makes pouring a circular pad fast and efficient. Typically seen on grain bins or foundations, the center pivot unit is a great accessory for our Batt Screed. Another accessory we come to find now is with our aluminum pipe that we use as our screed pipe, we have a form runner that increases the life of your pipe. With using aluminum pipe as our screed pipe on steel or concrete or asphalt forms is you get a lot of wear. So our form runner helps reduce that, gets you longer run time out of a piece of pipe. Cleanup and maintenance on these units are very minimum and easy. What you want to make sure is once you get done with it is washing it off. These units are battery and electric power, so you don't want to dunk them in water, but spraying off the tube itself with water will help. Or you can, once you get done with it, run it in some grass. Just pull it off, put it in some grass, run it around. The motion of it turning will clean the tube off, making it very minimum cleanup at all. Typically what you want to do once you get done running it and before you run it is make sure that you grease or lubricate all the connecting ends. Also on the T-bar end there is a bearing. Shoot a couple of shots of grease in it, it maintains itself. Both of these units are backed by a 1-year limited warranty. With proper care and maintenance, both of these units will help shape your success for years to come. This has been a quick overview of the roller screeds that Curb Roller has to offer. For more information on the products you've seen here today or any of the other products Curb Roller has to offer, please contact one of our sales team or your local dealership. Thank you.